Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get a free item in Temu. So something like this, right? So it's a 100-watt fast charging Type-C cable with a digital display with durable nylon and compatible with multiple brands. And you can see it's $0. It's free. So if you try to search on this on the actual Temu website, you won't find it. This is a special product with a special link. So the way we can do this is by clicking and typing in this link https and then bit.ly/Temu free item. Now, when you click on enter on this, it'll redirect you to a new site where you can get this free item. But you can only purchase this on the app. So make sure to scan this QR code with your phone to download the Temu app and then claim this free item. To note that it's new app users only and also with qualifying orders. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.